$260. Is it coming for Bitcoin Cash? The market currently is bullish. So it's not like out the ballpark that the market in Bitcoin Cash cannot reach $260. It may even go higher than that because this cryptocurrency is bullish. Look at the chart. Look for yourself. What trend is the price in Bitcoin Cash currently on? Exactly. It's trending higher in price. That's all you need to know. That price in Bitcoin Cash is continually going to go up because the market hasn't so far breaking our trend line. Now, one thing that it did do since my last video, which was on September 26th, is that Bitcoin Cash did break this resistance line, which is another positive catalyst to substantiate that the market currently is aiming for higher prices. What else do you need to know? I did a video right here, September 26th, hitting that resistance area literally the next day, 6.39%. The market in Bitcoin Cash actually topped out right here on October the 2nd at $255. Are we going to see the market hit that again? We're going to talk about it because one thing that I like about Bitcoin Cash, as it did break this resistance area here, is that now you all can see how price is holding it. So this area now is acting as support, $225. Look at Bitcoin Cash real quick on the 2-day chart. Off of this weakness right here, you would expect the market to give you a bigger move lower following this 2-day price bar. You would expect that. And so far, the market did not give us that volatility. The spread of the next 2 days is small right here. Look how small that spread bar is. The volume definitely didn't come through. So where are all the sellers? Did they leave the market? Are they no longer selling? Because if they truly were selling off of this 2-day price bar, the market would inevitably continue to go lower and trade it back into our ascending triangle, but it didn't. Here it is on the 3. The 3-day time frame is telling us to still be cautious, still be careful, because that 3-day price bar here definitely resembles selling. Even the prior one before that, this one, was giving you a heads up that there's increased selling going on. Here it is, 13 hours, 5 minutes left. No volume, price bar is small. I think we're about to see another move. Now, given what we've seen on the extending time frame, i.e. 2-day, 3-day time frame, the market here in Bitcoin Cash may actually go lower. I know the video is titled $260 incoming, but it looked like the market in Bitcoin Cash may be going lower in price off of the longer term basis. Here it is on the wiki chart. 2 weeks, 3. I like that 3-week price bar. That was fantastic. So in the next 16 days, that market definitely looks like it's bullish in Bitcoin Cash. On the 3-week chart, here it is on the 5, and here it is on the monthly. Monthly chart ended up well right there for the month of September. So again, the market currently is bullish, but it's kind of mixed with selling also going on in the market. Okay, so what do you guys think about the 7-hour bars? Is that bullish or bearish? How does it look to you? Okay, let's look at a different time frame then. Maybe that might help out. Here it is on the 5. Bullish or bearish? What about on the 3-hour? I think you guys can see where the buyers are coming in at on the 3-hour chart. You can see that they're coming in here and then again there. Everything else in between is weakness, is selling. So we need to continue to see these 3-hour bars in order for us to continue to be bullish in the market of Bitcoin Cash. You guys can see that we're kind of drifting lower in price. Here it is on the 1-hour. $330-minute. So to me, it looks like the price of Bitcoin Cash is about to go down. $260 doesn't look feasible as of this particular moment. We may see the market just dip slightly below this resistance area, or I'm sorry, support area, $225. May see it just come down to 220 and then begin the next move higher, or it may, look at this, come all the way down to this trend line and then continue to go higher. What do you think? Okay, so let's do this. I'm going to place some slight weakness into the market for Bitcoin Cash, just a little bit. Okay, my first target is 220, which is 4.36%. And my second target would be around like 212, 213, which is 7.4% there. Now, let me tell you this before I go. I already recognize that Bitcoin Cash currently is holding support, meaning over the next day, 2 days, 3 days, if the market continues to hold that support area of 225, then this price prediction will not go correctly. It won't. So that's what I'm on the lookout for. As a matter of fact, that needs to be one of my targets. Instead of it being 220 first, 212 second, my first target now is going to be 226, this horizontal support area, which is 1.5%. That's my first target now. Second target 220, third 212. Okay, so let's see what happens into the market. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.